Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to look at the contents of June's Mani by Me box. Yep, I waited a long time to do this. I've just haven't had any time, and I thought today's a good day to do this. So let's look in this, but first, before we do that, let's talk about the price of these. So the monthly subscription for Maniology is $25, I'm sorry, $30 a month, and it includes 2 exclusive plates, 2 stamping polishes. Usually, sometimes they give us regular polish, and then a mystery gift. Not a gift, but it's part of the box that you don't know about until the box comes along. And it's $30. And if you are sick and tired of getting nail stamping polish and you have too much of it, then you can always get the Express Kit, which has everything in it but the stamping polish. And I don't remember how much that is. But let's get into this and see what's in this box. And I'm sure most of you have already gotten this and opened it and blah, blah, blah. But I thought it was really cute because it had some flowers in it. So let's look at this. First thing is let's look at the cards. So these cards kind of give you a summary of what's going on. And, oh, I thought it was flowers. I'm wrong. Okay. So this is Get Ready to Glow Up 90s Style. Back in bold, airbrushed vibes of the ultimate throwback era. So I'm actually a month behind. That's why I said that. And this is the MXM 153 and MXM 154 are the 2 plates. And then for polish, we have Beeper Buzz B551 and VHS Violet B552. And the bonus gift is a Glow Up Magic, a neon yellow pigment powder. So we'll try and use that in our design as well. So here is a idea of a design if you can't think of anything. And I love these colors, this yellow and purple. And it tells you right on the back how to do it. So they don't leave it a mystery for you. So let's see what's in here. We know what's in here, so let's open this up and get right at it. All right, so first of all, I got this little sticker. A little snail. Very cute. All right, and toss this. And here is the powder. Let's open this up because this is exciting. I really like using these powders. I do think that the powder shows up better on the gel nails, but Maniology, the way they put it on their stampers is a nice way to do it. Ooh, look at that. That is some yellow. Ooh, that is neon. So we got that. And then we've got the 2 stamping plates, which I thought were flowers, which were not. That was last month's. And this one is M154. So you got some really cool full nail designs. I like that. That's really cool. I think I like them all. Sometimes it's just fun not to do a theme and just to do a some designs. And I've actually got a lot of design plates, full nail designs. So every once in a while I just like to do that. So there we go. Let's take the paper off. No, this is kind of unusual for Maniology, I think. I'm not sure. I can't remember back too far, but to have all these designs is really cool. This is really cool. I like the fire one. They did use that in the manicure they did. So we'll try to stay away from that. All right, so that's the first one. Let me put this back in here. And here's the second one. This one, well, these kind of look like flowers. So I was kind of right, but not really. All right, so this was Celestial, I think. So that makes more sense. And then we've got this like kind of fade out full nail design. That's kind of cool. And then we've got the little the phases, like the phases of the moon here, and some stars and hearts, more stars, butterflies. Very cute. These are cool. I'll have to see how those turn out. And this one is MXM 153. Very neat. Okay, so now let's take out the polishes, see what we got here. Ooh, very pretty. I really like those. I love purple and yellow. So, and I think it's a great summer color. So let's see how these babies stamp. All right, so let's take one of these designs, and let's do this one right here with the purple. And again, this is called VHS Violet. No, let's do this one. I want to do this one. This one's cool. All right. This looks like a nice opaque purple or lavender. Do I have a stamper? Yes, I do. All right. Very nice. It shows up on the white and it also shows up on the black. I like it. There is the purple. All right, let's get this off of here. Where's my tape? Tape, tape, tape. Cannot find my tape, so I'll use my sticky stamper book. Let's give it a peel here. And we'll get that off. Okay. Get this off. All right, we'll see what the yellow does. Ooh, okay, so these are really, they're raised, you can feel them. So make sure when you get these, any kind of raised plate, that not only do you wipe them off with the acetone, but you have to kind of wipe off the cotton too. Otherwise it sticks, you know, it's onto everything, your new nail manicure and everything. Let's try this one. This is really cool. This is like when you use a sponge to get this effect. And now you don't have to do that. Okay, so the yellow's light, as you would expect. But let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of light. Okay, so it does show up on the white. And it does show up on the black. But it's actually kind of neon. It's not as neon as the powder, but it is kind of neon. So that's cool too. Alright. So let me get this off. Ooh, I like these. I do like those. Okay, so let me set up my acrylic nails and I'll come back and we'll do a manicure. Okay, so I did this one here. I'm sorry, I wasn't taping. So I did this one here. And what I did was I used this and then I put this flower on there. And this one, all I did so far was put this on there, right here. So I want to do something else. So I think what I'm going to do is a couple of these little stars. So I'm going to take this, the purple, and just do a little star. I'm going to do it on the other side. Let's try this again. Yeah, I still want to do this. Little dots on the one star. Well, let's do it this way. All right. I'm going to do some full nail designs. And I really want to use this one, which I did on the bottle. Sorry, I want to do this in yellow. Did it with the wrong color. I want to do it on the purple nails. Get this. This has a very raised surface. So whenever you have that raised surface, you want to make sure that you get that cotton off there, because it will get on your nails and your manicure and the polish and everything else. All right, let's try this again. I love that stamp. That is cool. All right. I'm going to do another full nail design on the purple. And I think what I want to do is either this one or this one. I think I'll do this one. Another stamper. I keep forgetting to clean mine. That's pretty cool too. I like the way these are kind of like graded so that the stuff really, your first coat, your base coat really shows up. So all these are crooked. All right. That's really cool. And then let's do one more on the other plate. Let's see what we can do here. I think there's a lot of possibilities with this, but I think it's something you just got to play with and look at for a while. So I think I want to do the butterflies, and let's do like all 3 of them. So I'm going to do it in purple. So let's start off with this one. See how many we can fit on here. Kind of just a fuzzy outline. It's kind of cool. All right, and then let's do the one that's fuzzed in a little bit more. I'm gonna kind of layer them to get them all on there. And then let's do the last one. I think that turned out cute too. Let's give these some smudge-free top coat here so we can really see how it turns out. I really like, so here's what I like about these. I just really like the fact that they're patterns. And I like that gradient effect on all the stuff. I think that's cool. And you know, I wasn't sure about the butterflies, but I think that really looks cool. I like the layered look on there. Now we'll put the last top coat on there. And see how it looks. I think that's cool. I do like the fire one that they use too, which is this one right here. I think that's cool too. I would probably do that one when I do my nails with these. But I do like the other ones too. This almost looks like a gray, even though it was stamped with the yellow. It gives it a cool effect. I guess the other one looks kind of gray too. And I do like the neon pigment. You do need a lot on there. I went back and added some more on there. And there we go. Let's look at this closer. And there you go. This is, again, this is Mani by Me June box. I think these are cool plates. If you're into patterns, I do like patterns. They're so much easier than sometimes than doing, you know, like cartoons or something that you really have to reverse paint. And these, I think if you did these, even if you did them all different, I think they really look good together. So, and I do like the purple and the yellow. I think that's pretty too. So there you have it. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.